Hi world, you are watching New Project. I'm Alejandro Lloveras and today I want to bring you a new video, but apart from that I want to bring you a new section. This section is gonna be called Tech Talks Alternatives because I think that Tech Talks, it's very good, like it's very professional. You can find whatever you want there. Like, if you're an entrepreneur, you can find ideas for entrepreneurs or to build your own business. Also, you can find, like, if you are an artist, you can find like lot of tons of themes about colors, painting, and all that kind of things that I really appreciated. Also, I want to show you because I have on my hands this book that is Tech Talks. Helps you to like express more yourself, like in front of people and all that kind of thing. Like it's gonna help you. So I'm going to do a review soon. Now I want to talk to you about the new section. Okay, I'm not saying that Tech Talk is monotonous or just bad or something like that. I think that Tech Talk, it's really good, but also you can find, or people these days needs to find more like alternatives, no? Like need to search for more resources. So this is why I'm trying this section, because I think that you can find like tons of information in other platforms. So this is why I'm bringing you this section, for you to get more inspiration, more knowledge, also more ideas, and also why not? Why not? Let's begin, okay? I'm going to divide this section in several parts, okay? Because if I include all this information in one video, we can be here for eternities, okay? So we are going to start with 99 Use, okay? 99 Use Talks. That is from Adobe. It's a creative career resource from Adobe. So this kind of platform, I think that is more dedicated for all that people that are artists, painters, or that just are more creative than the other people, because I think that are more orientated to great things, okay? But also I'm seriously saying that I love this page, because I think that distribution of the information, like the talks in the talks have like so many playlists, okay? And they are divided like in different sections. For example, talks from designers, talks from artists, talks from entrepreneurs, talks from personal growth. It has a long variety. So for me, 99 Use Talks, it's really good. Like, it's the first alternative that I will take from Tech Talk, like, obviously. But also in the website you can have like tons of information. Like you can have articles, you can have interviews, guides. So for me, it's incredible. The articles you can get in and also read ton of things that will help you, okay? If you have a problem with your memory or with something else, it will help you. There's the article, okay, with the solution, solve your problem, okay? Then also you have the interviews, okay? In the interviews you have like ton of information, like you can find and read interviews of thinkers, innovators, and all that kind of stuff. So for me, this page is awesome. It's one really option for search for more like knowledge. So this is my first one, okay? So I will say you to investigate, okay? Be a hustle. Search everything, go find everything, because this kind of things is what is going to make you change. Like, it's what going to make you unique. So yeah, that's basically the first platform that I want to say, okay? Then we have several, but I will say you in the next videos, because I think that I prefer to explain it one by one and detailing the content, okay? So this is all. Hope you enjoy it. Also, please give me a like, leave me a feedback in the comments, because this will help me a lot to grow. I mean, feedback is what I want right now to improve, I don't know, my English, my videos, my content, and all that kind of things. So, have a nice day.
We don't waste our precious time.